All right, everybody, we finally got this open. And I don't know, should I tell them what the code is? No, I'm not going to tell you. I'll let you have the fun of doing it. It was a pain in the butt trying to figure out. We eventually had to get some help from the housekeeping to get it open because it's a couple of them, you can go either way. But this is what you get in there. It's okay. This is what you get in there for the kids. Let me show you. Let me see. Yeah, bring it over here so I can land this. Okay. You get some organic applesauce, 2 of them. Pirate Island Hotel little eye patches. This is all free, comes with the room. A little Lego thing, a little figure in it. Cool. Another little Lego figure thing. Basically, they give enough for 2 kids. Adventures of Pirate Island, a little like activity book. Pretty cool. Lego brick, 10th birthday celebration. And there's a few more of them in here. And they're all the same. Pretty cool. Now that's for the first night, and if you were to stay 3 or 4 nights, what they would do then, they would just put it in the room and like the bed or the dresser over there for the kids to get. But yeah, that was tougher than you think because some of the answers to some of the questions could have gone either way. That's it. Okay.